Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? How are you today? With me today, I have a surprise box. Would you like to know what's inside the surprise box? Very soon you're going to find out. Today we are learning the different sounds that farm animals produce. For example, a cow says moo. Let's see what's inside the box. It's a surprise. So inside here I have different animals. And I'm going to search. I found a cat. This is a cat. We all know what a cat is. And what sound does a cat produce? Meow. Meow. Let's do that together. Meow. Meow. Oh, here it is. Which farm animal is this? It's a horse. And a horse neighs. Do you know how to neigh? Let's neigh like a horse. Let's look for the next farm animal. Searching here is lots of fun. I found another one. Which farm animal is this? It's a goat. That's right, this is a goat. And what sound does a goat make? A goat bleats. Can we pretend to be goats and bleat together? Let's go. Oh, here's the next farm animal. And this is a cow. What sound does a cow make? A cow moos. Now let's pretend to be cows. Moo. One more time. Moo. That was fun. We are searching. Let's search. I found something. Which farm animal is this? It's a pig. And a pig oinks. A pig oinks. Let's oink like a pig. Let's pretend to be pigs. Oink, oink. Oink, oink. Oh, I found it. I love this animal. It's a dog. That's right. A dog barks. Can we bark like a dog? Woof, woof. Woof, woof. Did you bark like a dog? We can do that again. Woof, woof. Well done.